Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. Mental health. My next series is about confidence. You're more than welcome to look at my other series about true love, self esteem, and insecurities. Today, we look at what is confidence. Confidence is when you accept and trust yourself and have a sense of control in your life. But it doesn't mean pride and ego. You know your strengths and your weaknesses very well and have a positive view of yourself. And you can only have that with a good self esteem. And that is where true love and self love comes in to create the positive view of yourself, to have a strong self esteem. To have a strong self esteem gives you confidence. There's different confidence. The first one is a healthy confidence. You set realistic goals and expectations and communicate assertively and can handle criticism. But remember, it doesn't mean anyone's criticism, healthy criticism. Low self confidence might make you feel full of self doubt. You doubt in everything you do and about yourself. Be passive, submissive, difficult trusting others. High or self confidence is rarely related to your actual abilities and mostly based on your perception, the focus. We get three types of confidence: one, self centered confidence; two, perfection confidence; three, faith confidence. So, what is self centered confidence? It is a confidence, straight cockiness. It's where your ego is too much and your pride, and you just this one, you think too much of yourself, and results of self obsession. World revolves around this person, so everything must resolve around you, your needs, what you need, and everyone must think you the god, and you just this one. That you just this perfect with just the status, and everyone must jump if you see jump. Then you get the perfection confidence. It is a seeking confidence. You seek it. Number three, faith. It is filled with confidence. So, a confident person does what they believe is right, even if it's unpopular. That's if you have a healthy confidence. Number three is willing to take risks because they have that confidence that they can make it work, even if it's a risk. They have the ability, they can reach their goals, admits their mistakes, and learn from them. A good, healthy, confident person will never be like not admitting when they make a mistake. They will know they're not perfect, they're not untouchable, that they do have weaknesses, they do have mistakes, and that is amazing when a person can say, hey, listen, sorry, and I try to fix it, and you grow. It is able to accept a compliment. When you're confident, you can accept a compliment. But be careful which compliment. Some is false compliments. Some is to suck up to you. So make sure it is authentic. It is optimistic. So that is what a confident person are. Like, follow, and share for the next part about confidence. And thank you for supporting me. Interact with me in the comments. Don't ask me to chat you up. I'm not chatting people up. I'm responding to comments, even with videos and comments, topics you can ask. And that's how I will interact. But don't ask to go privately. Thank you.